We got some hiccups. There it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What are you going to do about those hiccups? Whoa. Wow. Yeah, that doesn't feel very good, does it? No. Are you hiccuping with glee? I don't know. I can't exactly describe this as glee. What is with those hiccups, huh, Camille?